Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to switch your Amazon Prime membership to monthly billing using your desktop browser. I'll guide you through the account settings step by step, so let's get started. First, open Amazon and make sure you're signed into your account. Move your mouse to the top right corner, hover over Account and Lists, and click Account. Once your account dashboard loads, find the Prime option and click it. This will take you to your Prime membership page, where you can view your current plan and membership details. Next, look for Manage Membership or a similar membership management option. Click it to view the settings for your current Prime plan. If Amazon offers both annual and monthly plans for your account, look for an option such as Change Plan, See All Plans, or Switch to Monthly. Select the monthly option and carefully review the price and renewal information. Before confirming the change, make sure the billing frequency and cost are correct. If everything looks good, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your new membership plan. Once the change takes effect, your Prime membership will renew according to the monthly billing schedule shown in your account. Keep in mind that available Prime plans and pricing can vary depending on your country and account, so the monthly option may not be available for everyone. And that's it. Now you know how to check and switch your Amazon Prime membership to a monthly plan when the option is available. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.